Ah, it's a lot of people. Get in there now. Walk it, Eva. Yep. Oh. That's a blue? Not blue. Oh boy. I think go get a share, boy. Boy. Somebody wear the black too, boy. Somebody wear the black
The
too.
blue one is 5th grade.
Oh yeah.
The black one's 6th grade.
Oh yeah. Okay, Eva.
Can you stop recording?
Boy, come be this side.
You're going that side.
Boy.
Getting it on, Brett? Still feel alright?
Yeah.
Not too loose or anything?
It's not loose.
guys start your line back here. Right here. Harmon. Hey, Melanie. And next week, we'll probably have Maurice and Mariana riding with us also. And that will be up to Coconut. So, with him riding with us. So, I'll call, I mean, yep.
But it's good to have a heads up. Yep. So where's the coach? Like the coach coach.
For this team?
That was like...
Okay, next up, get up here. Next up, on the line. Hold on. Get up here. Make sure they're standing properly. Inside the floor. There you go. Yeah, no, absolutely. Go, round it. Perfect. Okay, he's still waiting. Easy enough. Good. Good ball. Thank you. 7:30, yeah. Yeah, fourth cone. We're going to split first and second grade. Hey, you're not in. Back up. He's rolling out.
Backs and receivers on the line for 8th grade. Backs and receivers. All the way through.
Get out of his way. He shouldn't have to be in. You shouldn't be in his way.
Huh? You special?
Let him work. Good. Deeper.
Stay on the cracker right here.
Good ball. Deeper. So what happens if you don't have that guy that's out here putting pressure on you? Then what do you do? Duck and run. I'm good behind this tree. The girl's got the right idea. Out. Hey, I've been on the money and she was hot. Yep. Ready? Make sure you're not flat, Levi. What's up? Hey, Bruce. I need to find you a home. Where do you want to be?
I was so close.
Back up. Give me some over here. Deeper. You can't lose him. Hey, so much power, you can't lose him. Up in there. Lock it in. Here we go. 3, 6, 3, 2. Ethan. Who else I got? Rashawn, 2. Right here. 3, 4, 3. I can live with that. Hey, lock in. Here we go. It's practice time. Are we ready? Are we ready? I need. Everybody, hop in here, Kate.
It's a kid right
Switch.
I don't
Halfway
know.
switch.
now.
Up and over.
It's a good problem to have, that's for sure.
Lunge it. That one, this one, and this one.
Swap these out and bring you another set.
Oh, apparently. Okay. Hey, will you water break? About 2 minutes. And hopefully Coach Johnson's ready. Keep going. It'll get hot. Make sure you don't waterlog yourself. Make sure you get a drink. Here we go. Mikey's on me. Mikey's on 3. Now let's do hard work. Do some hard work. Hard work on me. Hard work on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Hard work! Oh, sissy! Come here. Missed you. Oh!
Cedric?
Why is my water hot?
I told you need to. I wouldn't say you say no.
It's still cold.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Right. Still cold.
Yeah.
You put it in the sun, that's why.
Thinking of working without a coach. I'm going to be gone Tuesday.
Boy, come here.
Oh.
It's done.
Ends at 7:30. I bet it's not even 7 o'clock yet.
Oh, you got one more time?
No, what time is it? It ends at 7:30. We're gonna take like 3 more breaks. Maybe 4. Oh shoot. We tackled. We're gonna start tackling. Huh?
Ready, set, go. Every time. Good job.
Ready.
Yep.
Time to leave? Is it time to leave? Time to leave?
You did a good job, boy. Good block.
job!
Good block. Come over.
Yeah.
Okay. You gotta get it.
Yeah, where's this?
Can you help me take this off?
Hmm?
Can you help me take this off?
Uh-huh.
No.